Hi, I'm Joyce, and I will be introducing you to the Vocabulary Finder feature today. So first, before we even get started, we know as teachers it's really tricky to teach kids new words without giving them a few examples to reference. Here's how we do it on ClassHook. Go to Browse, Vocabulary Finder. Let's say we want to teach the word innovation. It's already in here. Search for innovation. And what you'll notice is that there are 20 search results, but on top of the TV show and movie, the grade level, and the subject, it also pinpoints the exact moment where the word innovation is used. So you can quickly browse through and see if that makes sense for what you're trying to explain. And then in multiple instances, you'll see that the word innovation shows up more than once. Through using Vocabulary Finder, teachers are able to give students a broader range of examples through which complex words or ideas are utilized. So go ahead and use the vocabulary feature and let us know what new words your kids are learning today.